Northwestern India experienced the invasion or presence of Alexander in 327 BCE after he routed the Achaemenid rule in Asia Minor. Alexander actually crossed Asia Minor to challenge the Achaemenid Empire, who was then ruling the entire region from Egypt to the areas of Afghanistan. What happened is that he fought 3 wars. And among these 3 wars, 2 wars were fought with Darius III himself, and finally the Achaemenid Empire lay prostrate at the feet of Alexander. What we find is that after being crowned the king of the Trans-Oxus region, Alexander now decided to move further east, cross the Hindu Kush and take hold of the areas of northwestern India. We learn about his eastern campaigns from the historians of Alexander who accompanied him, and they are Justin, Plutarch and Orion. What we find in their writings is that they are talking about the northwest India, where they have seen a number of rulers, but we do not have a single ruler like that of Magadha in the Ganga valley during the penetration of the Greek rule in the northwestern part of India. When Alexander landed in Herat, that is the area region, he conquered there and established many cities. This was the common trend with Alexander, that he was known as the founder of many cities. So after conquering Herat, Alexander moved into the region of the Helmand Basin together with his troops and came to the area of Kabul Begram region. There he established another city which was known as Alexandria of the east. In Alexandria, he decided to settle garrison, and this was then ruled by his general Philip. So there were Greek and Macedonian settlers in this region. He moved further east and came to the region of Arachosia, which is the present Kandahar region, and in Arachosia also he founded another city. It is said that perhaps this was the famous Alexandropolis, but we are not sure about it. From later accounts, we learn that Arachosia became Greek in culture, and we have a text of 1st century BC which talks about Arachosia. The name of the text is Stathmoi Parthikoi, and it is said that Esti de Hellenes, that is, it is Greek. So the Greek character of the city was given by the foundation of the city by Alexander. When he was moving further east, we find that there were 2 generals. One was known as Copheus and the other was Asageti, and these generals submitted to him without any problem. Copheus, obviously the name suggests that he belonged to a region which was near the Kabul river. Kabul was known by the Greeks as Kofan.